Hey you guys, hey you guys, hey you guys. So today I wanted to come and share with you a little cleaning and decorating. This living room is a hot mess. Like, it's stuff everywhere. I kind of started last night moving things around. I put the table back, but it is still so much stuff everywhere. All right, so I completely took down this garland and I reconfigured it so it's into one piece now. So that garland looks so much better now that I kind of put just one continuous piece instead of breaking it up and then a gap. Then it was just too much, and I knew when I first did the video that it was overwhelming, but I didn't know what, you know, to take down and all that. So I have to live in a space for a few days and then think about it, tweak it, and all that. Okay, so I removed everything and started from scratch. Alright, so what I did, I only laid one across. It looks so much better. Pull these just a little bit closer and it looks much better. Not so cluttered, not so cluttered and overwhelming. So I'm loving this already. I do still want to try to incorporate this one, so I'm going to lay it across and see what results I can get, but I'm loving this so far. Okay, so here goes this mirror that I just purchased yesterday at West Elm. I don't know how I feel about it. I like the simplicity of it. It's nice, but I don't know if I like it there or whatever, but that's how it looks. So let's switch it out. Okay, so I replaced the mirror that was in between the windows, and I taken all of the those off of the wall. Now here goes this one. I like it there, but I don't know if it's a bit too large. I don't know. Alright, so I'll have the coffee table moved so I can adjust this rug. And there it goes. Look at my little makeshift lamp. I was saying if I like it there. This is how everything is looking thus far. Well, let's see. So you have to clean this out, and because I have so much like furry rug, this gets tangled up so much. So this is definitely important to clean it out. And even in this little hole that it catches, it will stop your vacuum from properly cutting on. So clean this part out. Okay, I had so much glitter and everything in this rug, so now it's all nice and clean. I'm debating if I want to put the fur rug back down or not, because this one is kind of stained up. You really, like, you can see like here the high traffic area is a bit darker than here, so it just helps disguise the dirt. Look at my little faux lamp I made. That's my tripod and the the lampshade over there. I was seeing if I wanted to add a lamp in that area. Alrighty, so I just tried to put these little mirrored shelf up here, and I was gonna put the other one over here, but they do not hang properly. Like, this is not all the way, it's like a whole gap right there, so I can't hang them, so I have to find something else to do with this wall like this. Alright, you guys, so here goes the little update. I think it looks so good. So this made a huge difference. so just tweaking the fireplace made a huge difference in here. I added the 2 ottomans over there. Of course, we will just pull them over when we need them. They are storage ottomans, so they store our blankets and all that good stuff. So it looks so good right there. And I pulled this oldie but goodie out. I've had this picture for so many years. Like, it used to be in my bedroom back in the day. I still have it, so it fits the theme. Why not? Until I figure out what I'm gonna put on the wall. But it has the leopard, and I think the leopard and the reds and the golds, it just looks so pretty. So I tied it all in. Here is my 3rd ottoman that did not have a top. I went on and added this gold tray, which fits perfectly on here. Look how good that looks. And I just added some little ornaments and stuff over here, and these little red things. And here goes the new mirror right here. Let me turn the light. Okay, so that's the new mirror right there. So here goes this little section. I think it's so cute how it all ties in with the golds, the reds, and all that. I kept the coffee table super simple. Not a lot going on here. I added this little cutie right here. This little sparkly box now houses our remotes and coasters. All of that goes so nicely right there. I just burned in a candle. That's my little candle holder from Bath & Body Works. I just makeshift my little book opener. I really want to find the one that's acrylic. I think Ballard Designs may have one, but I just made that stand up. You get those little stands from the Dollar Tree. So it's just my little Chanel book on there. Everything is so cute. Oh, here goes the pillow choices that's on here for right now. So the metallic-y, the shaggy gray, this one is like a creamy with some texture, and then that one red velvet. Then there's the gold, and then the same over here. And then I have those 2 leopard prints. So it's so many different patterns and textures, but they all tie back in together. How nice is that? Yep. So let me get the fireplaces on. So here it goes. I just put I wanted to put the red apothecary drawer over here, but I only have one, so I ended up just putting the gold, which is fine. It ties in with both ginger jars. So there we go. All right, I hope you enjoyed this little update, how I simplified everything. It looks so nice now that I have everything, you know, simplified and so beautiful. So here goes from behind the sofa. This is how it looks from like standing back by my bedroom on my grandfather clock. And it looks so pretty, so pretty. You guys, so here goes my little living room, all complete. I just moved this little bench over here. It usually goes right here in front of the window, but I thought it was super cute right here and pulled up in the living room. It looks so good and so nice and cozy in here. So this is what it looks like from this angle. Looks so nice back this way.